So do you want to tell them or?
Nah, we'll just let them guess.
All right, we'll be back. See you later.
Bye. No, just kidding. Hello, gorgeous. Welcome back to our
Hey, everybody.
channel.
What's your channel?
Yeah, but you're here a lot.
Not really. We're redoing an entire house, like studs out, as you can see, like literally studs out.
Completely gutted. We went to an auction in Ohio and we left with a house. No plans to buy a house.
We have a large gutted space behind us.
That he and his dad did. You guys have done the majority of the work.
We've done a lot of demo.
Yeah, so we have a lot of new content coming your way. Like nothing original is staying.
No, old 1970s house.
We'll share in another
Is this
video.
like a preview video? What is this?
Yeah, but let's answer a couple questions that people are gonna be freaking out about. A, they're gonna wanna know, are you moving to Ohio?
No. This is a secondary house. We have a place already, but we're tired of renting.
They won't sell it to us. We want it, they won't sell it, so we bought something else.
So we just thought it was a good opportunity to go ahead and own something and plant our money and then also create cool content around like a home redesign. We don't know what we're doing, but
we are first-time fixers. First-time
fixer uppers.
First-time designers. First-time design. We have no idea what we're doing. We're literally learning as we're going.
Yep.
You've never done any of this before.
No, but I stayed at a Holiday Inn last night.
I don't get it.
You don't watch TV or commercials or anything?
Is that a commercial?
Anyway, I watch a lot of YouTube videos, so I think I can do some things. We'll see.
Yeah, and his dad's here with us. He's helping. I've got lots of family up here. We're calling in all the troops. Comment below with what you guys think we should call this new series. We'll share like the befores because right now you're just seeing the demo because that's our
Maybe
current
we'll
state.
give them a quick, super quick little tour, like clippets of what we've got right now.
Yeah.
This is our kitchen. So
Can I whip you up something to eat?
We're gonna make more videos, so ask away. But in the meantime, here's a few little clips of what this place looks like right now.
It's pretty, let me tell you.
You're not gonna understand like what's what because it all looks like studs and drywall.
Yeah.
So here you go. See you at the next one.